One of the most effective things that you can do inside of Notion is create formulas to show what data you want to see when you want to see it. So inside our projects database, I created a formula to see if whether this contact is a repeat buyer or if this is the first project that we've done with them. So you can see here this is a single project, because if we come into the contact over here and we're already in the projects tab, we can see that we have 3 projects for this individual. They're named a little bit different, but you can see that only one of them is in a finalized status. The other 2 are in prospect status. So if we come over and we see the value, we can see the value of those projects and then aggregate those in a single chart to see how much money we have on a repeat buyer versus a single project basis. So if we come over to this project, Ethan Anderson, let me collapse all this right here. You can see the repeat buyer versus single. This is a repeat in proposal. So when I come over here and move this over to approved, you'll see that this status on the other project is moved over to repeat. This one is now updated to repeat. So any charts that we update, any charts that we create to show the total value will now be able to filter by repeat versus single versus repeat in proposal or single in proposal. So we'll have those 4 metrics to see how much money is sitting in what stage of our pipeline based off of having this one property to do so. So now we have to go add that to our sales database or our sales dashboard over here so that we can see those analytics in a single spot. Gotta love Notion. Pretty dang simple once you get the hang of it. You just have to set up that formula once and then you can see repeat versus single versus in proposal. Pretty dang handy.